Coming back on here with a bonus video for anyone who may have children or grandkids or nieces, and now you see what the bonus video includes. This is what my children decorated. This is their first ever tablescape, and it's a kid-friendly tablescape. I'm going to show you closer what all they did. Okay, as you see right here, they colored eggs. And they have this beautiful pink plate that I got from the Dollar Tree. As well as this one here, it's the same thing. It's a beautiful egg that was colored. This is some craft paper that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and all they did, as you see, was draw on it. This is some Easter grass that I had left over from my Easter egg wreath that I did. And as you see right here, it says Happy Easter. And this is a beautiful little bunny inside a basket with carrots. I purchased that from Hobby Lobby. And it was, I think, 50 to 60% off. And right here, you see these beautiful little bunny sunglasses that my children decide to make a part of their table setting or tablescape. There's another egg in the middle, as well as another pair of glasses, Easter bunny glasses. All right, right here is a beautiful Easter bunny. She's holding carrots, and as you see, she has a beautiful bow, pink bow. All right, and here are some flower centerpieces that my children did. In this bucket, which purchased from Walmart for 98 cents. The flowers came from Dollar Tree, and the egg picks came from Dollar Tree. And as you see, there's some more drawings that was done by my twins, as well as some more plates with egg on them that they colored. I'm going back around. This was done on the table in our kitchen where we eat. And I'm going to show you more of this Happy Easter drawing. This is the one that my oldest daughter did with the hearts. So I thought this was just so beautiful. They wanted to do one since they seen me doing mine. They wanted to do one also. So I hope that you enjoy this video. This will give you some ideas on what to do with your children, grandchildren, nieces, just to get them started at doing tablescapes and just having fun. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell beside the subscribe button. Therefore, you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. And I hope you have a great night. Be blessed. And I will see you on my next video.